In this video, we are going to look at common mistakes in English. There are 20 incorrect sentences. Let's see if you can spot them. The first incorrect sentence is, I didn't go anywhere yet. The correct sentence is, I haven't gone anywhere yet. We say, I haven't gone anywhere yet, because yet needs the present perfect tense. Didn't go is wrong because didn't is past tense and doesn't match yet. She is very interested to learn English. The correct sentence is, she is very interested in learning English. We say interested in learning because interested in is always followed by a verb ending in ing. Interested to is incorrect in this sentence. He is my cousin brother. The correct sentence is, he is my cousin. We say, he is my cousin, because cousin already means a relative who can be male or female. Cousin brother is wrong, because the word brother is unnecessary in English. The team is divided in two groups. The correct sentence is, the team is divided into two groups. We say divided into two groups because the verb divide always takes the preposition into. Divided in is incorrect in this context. Me and Jane went to the mall. The correct sentence is, Jane and I went to the mall. We don't say, me went to the mall. We say, I went to the mall, because I is the correct subject word that does the action. We put I after Jane to sound polite and natural. So we say, Jane and I went to the mall. The teacher gave Jane and I extra homework. The correct sentence is, the teacher gave Jane and me extra homework. We say Jane and me because the teacher gave something to us, so me is the correct object word. We don't say Jane and I here because I is used only when doing the action, not receiving it. Between you and I don't like him. The correct sentence is, between you and me, I don't like him. We say between you and me because the preposition between must be followed by object words like me and you. I is a subject word, so it cannot be used after between. Me and him are good friends. The correct sentence is, he and I are good friends. We say he and I because both are subject words. They do the action in the sentence. Me and him are object words used only when something happens to them. She is more kinder than her sister. The correct sentence is, she is kinder than her sister. We say kinder because the word already shows comparison by adding er. We don't use more with er adjectives. It's one or the other, not both. He is angry at me. The correct sentence is, he is angry with me. We say, angry with me, because with is used when talking about people. Angry at is mostly used for things or situations, not people. I am bored from this movie. The correct sentence is, I am bored with or bored by this movie. We use bored with or bored by to show what is making us feel bored, and they are the correct prepositions after bored. We don't say bored from, because from shows a physical cause, not an emotion. He is more better now. The correct sentence is, he is much better now. We say much better because better already means more good, so we don't need more. Adding much makes it stronger, like saying a lot better. She discussed about the plan. The correct sentence is, she discussed the plan. We say, discuss the plan, because the verb discuss already includes the meaning of talk about. So we don't need about after discuss. Please reply me soon. The correct sentence is, please reply to me soon. We say, reply to me, because the verb reply always needs the preposition to before the person. Reply me is incorrect in English. He is good in baking cakes. The correct sentence is, he is good at baking cakes. We say good at because the preposition at is used to show a skill or ability. Good in is used only for places or subjects, like good in school or good in maths. He suggested to me to take a break. The correct sentence is, he suggested that I take a break. We don't use to after suggest. We can say, he suggested that I take a break or he suggested taking a break, but not, he suggested to me to take a break. Irregardless of the weather, we will go. The correct sentence is, regardless of the weather, we will go. We say, regardless of the weather, because irregardless is not a standard English word. It is a common mistake. The correct and accepted form is simply regardless. It is more colder today. The correct sentence is, it is colder today. We say colder because the word already means more cold, so we don't need to add more. Everybody are happy today. The correct sentence is, everybody is happy today. We say everybody is because everybody is treated as a singular word. Even though it means many people, we use is, not are. And the final incorrect sentence is, each of them have a pen. The correct sentence is, each of them has a pen. We say each of them has because each is treated as a singular word. So we use has instead of have. That's the end of the quiz. How many did you answer correctly? Share your answers in the comment. Thanks for watching and please like, share, and subscribe for more.